Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. Today we are completing the Gorilla Mountain reading activity. You will find a copy of this activity in your work pack, and you should have 2 pages to complete. It is important when we're reading that we are able to comprehend the text. That means that we are able to understand what we are reading so we have a deeper understanding. It is also important that we are able to respond to a range of questions about the text. This means that you are able to think about what you are reading and have opportunities to respond to the questions in a way that is true and factual. Let's have a look at question 1. It says, what year did Dian Fossey spend 7 weeks traveling through East Africa? It also says that the information can be found on page 1 and we can only tick 1 box. To find this information, you will have to click on Group 4 activity on the reading slide for today on Tuesday and have a look at the book. On page 1, I found information about Dian Fossey when she spent 7 weeks travelling through East Africa, and the date was 1963. So I'm going to tick the box that says 1963. Question 2 says, where are the Virunga Mountains located? We can find this information on page 4 of the text. The Virunga Mountains are located in Central Africa. I used the text from the book Gorilla Mountain to help me answer this question. Question 3. Male gorillas start to grow silver grey hair on their backs when they are about 13 years of age. We can look on page 5 to help us answer the question, and we can only tick 1 box. It is true that male gorillas will start to grow silver grey hair on their backs when they reach the age of about 13 years. Question 4. Why were mountain gorillas being pushed out of their usual feeding areas? So we will look at page 7 to help us answer this question. Because farmers wanted more land for crops. This is the reason why mountain gorillas were being pushed out of their usual feeding areas. Question 5 is personal to you. It says, if you had the opportunity to take care of the mountain gorillas, what would you do and why? For example, would you raise money to ensure that the mountain gorillas were fed and supported throughout their time? If I had the opportunity to take care of mountain gorillas, I would raise money to build a safe place for the gorillas to go and feed. This is me pictured with a mountain gorilla. The gorilla is on a tree branch. There is a tree next to him because we are up in the mountains, and in the background there are some big mountains. It's now your turn to complete this activity. You have 5 questions to answer, and then you can draw a picture of you with a mountain gorilla. Remember to be as creative and artistic as possible so I can see your best work ever. Remember, have fun!